Hi all. Now let's check another question. So the question is, let m and n be positive integers such that 1/3 of m is n less than 1/2 of m. Okay. So what is mentioned? 1/3 of m is n less than 1/2 of m. Okay. So which of the following is a possible value of m? So we are provided with the 5 options here. Okay. So what we have to do first. Okay, so what they have mentioned, 1/3 of m is n less than 1/2 of m. Okay, so this means m by 3, let's make it into equation. Okay, m by 3 is equal to m by 2 minus n. This is what they mentioned by this statement. Okay, got it? So now you can rearrange them, right? So let's move n on the other side. Okay. So we can write it as n is equal to m by 2 minus m by 3. Alright. So now we have to simplify them, right? So we can take the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So we can write n is equal to 3m minus 2m by 6, right? So which is m by 6. Okay. So since n is a positive integer, m by 6 must also be an integer. Therefore, m must be divided by 6, right? So it should be divisible by 6. So now we can check the options. So is 15 divided by is 15 can be divided by 6? So it's not the right answer. What about 21? It is also wrong. And what about 24? It is possible, right? And what about 26? Not possible. 28 is also not possible, right? So we got the correct answer. That will be 24. From the given option, the correct answer is 24. So whenever you see a sentence like one fraction of a number is some amount less than another fraction. So we have a quick trick for the exam. So for the exam, you won't be able to do all these things, right? So what is the quick or easy step? Let's see that. So when you see any terms or sentence like one fraction of a number is some amount less than another fraction, first thing you have to do is that write an equation. Write an equation. Okay. Equation. First you have to write that. That is what we did here. Then combine the fraction. Second thing, combine the fractions. Okay. Combine the fractions. Then what is the third step? Check what condition the variable must satisfy. Check what conditions or condition the variable must satisfy. Okay. Then test the answer choices. The fourth step is test the answer choice. Okay. So here that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So n is equal to m by 6. So since n is an integer, m must be a multiple of 6. So among the choices, only 24 works. So that is how we find the answer as 24. See, 24 is the answer. So if you found this explanation helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Okay. So we'll be discussing another question in the next video. Thanks for watching.